Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to manage your time on Facebook and enable the quiet mode feature. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on the menu icon down below on the right side corner of the screen. Tap on settings at the top on the right side next to the search bar icon. Scroll down to preferences and click on your time on Facebook. Scroll down and go to the manage your time section and click on see tools. Here you have the quiet mode. As you can see, you can mute most push notifications and limit notification dots. The next time you open the app on this device, you will get a reminder that quiet mode is on. Here you can enable it by tapping on this button on the right side next to quiet mode, and here you can set it either days or hours or minutes. Then click on the apply button. And you can also schedule the quiet mode. Here you can set the start time and the end time as well, and you can also select the days when you would like it to be scheduled. Go back and then everything will be updated and saved automatically, as you can see it here. So that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.